Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi. Welcome to Test Prep Training. Today, we will discuss about American Institute of Certified Planners, Tutorial and Preparatory Guide. Let's see how you can start preparing for the exam. The AICP Certified Planners become the members of APA's Professional Institute, the American Institute of Certified Planners. These members are known for presenting commitment, with high standards of professional practice, and proficiency of theories and tools at planning. Achieving this certificate is thus much more than just earning a credential. The successful achievement of the AICP certification will play an ace move, and make candidates' colleagues, employers know that the candidates have the academic qualifications, relevant work experience, and domination of essential skills required to effectively work as an expert. Targeted audience. The American Institute of Certified Planners certification is primarily for the candidates who are interested, curious, and want to enter into the field of planning, and those who are a member of APA are suggested to give this exam. Recommended knowledge and prerequisites. Necessary prerequisites for the AICP examination are: 1. Be a current member of the American Planning Association. 2. Candidates must be engaged in professional planning, either currently or in the past. 3. Candidates must have completed one of the combinations of education with corresponding years of experience at the time of application submission. Type of education and its corresponding planning experience are as follows. 1. Graduate degree in planning from a program accredited by the PAB is 2 years. 2. Bachelor's degree in planning from a program accredited by the PAB is 3 years. 3. Graduate degree in planning from a program not accredited by the PAB is 3 years. 4. Any other postgraduate, graduate, or undergraduate degree is 4 years. 5. No college degree is 8 years. The American Institute of Certified Planners examination consists of multiple choice questions. The total time duration for this examination is 210 minutes. This exam will cost you $425. You will require a score of 55 to pass the exam, and the number of questions asked are 170. Course outline. 1. Fundamental knowledge of planning, which comprises of 25% weightage in exam. 2. Plan implementation and making, which comprises of 30% weightage in exam. 3. Practice areas, which comprises of 30% weightage in exam. 4. Management, administration, and leadership, which comprises of 5% weightage in exam. 5. The AICP Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics, which comprises of 10% weightage in exam. Now, let's discuss about Preparatory Guide. Exam objectives. Candidates must review the exam content outline, and prepare their own timetable and schedule for better results. Create slots for every chapter and topic that needs more attention than the other. Also, it's crucially important to understand the scope of the exam, and make an early enthusiastic resolution to cover the areas on which candidates should put in extra efforts. Learning Resource 1, the official website. The official APA website has its own series and library of content for its aspirants to study peacefully and effectively. It has a series of online videos, chapter-wise presentations, CM events, exam review sessions, etc. Learning Resource 2, chapter-wise professional, interpretation, and explanation by APA. Basically, these resources are the presentation slides, CM events, exam review sessions etc., made by professional professors that are directly taken from their classrooms. Learning Resource 3, official online videos. The exam preparation sessions, offered by PDO, or the important chapters, are a productive juncture for studying to begin from. This resource is available at the official website, and candidates can cross-check and choose the ones they want to particularly study or train themselves by watching the entire series. Learning Resource 4, online forum. Reliable content is everything during the preparations. Studying from a good resource is always worth it. Rich resources lead to rich learning. An online forum is basically a library of resources and notes. It's that one single destination for practice tests, content, notes, extra papers, etc., and practice tests. Practicing is one of the steps that many aspirants feel lazy to complete. The practice phase plays a very meaningful role here. As mentioned above, online forums can also help aspirants to get access to many practice tests, in fact, many different types. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.